Welcome back to my channel, and it is your girl Naturallytheuni, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. And I don't think it was that hard. I used my Morphe 35B palette, and I created this look, and it was inspired by my shirt, and I really like how it came out. I don't usually do halo eyes because I find them kind of hard compared to cut creases, so I hope you like how this came out. I tried to do the bottom lashes on camera. It was my first time doing them, and it didn't work, so I had to do it off camera, but that's how that looks. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. I'll have everything listed in the description bar below. And yeah, that's it. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Bye guys. Using my ABH dip brow in the shade dark brown, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. To clean up my eyebrows, I'm using Rich Tan 65 on top and Deep Golden 60 on the bottom. For a bright base, I'm using the Colourpop concealer in Tan 50, and I won't be setting it with any loose powder. Using my Morphe 35B palette, I'm using this matte lavender shade as a transition color. Using the purple shade directly under it, I'm going to focus that in the inner corner and the outer corner of my eye. After that, I'm going to lightly blend it into the crease. Using the Colourpop concealer in the shade Tan 50, I'm going to cut the halo. Instead of setting it, I'm going to go directly into this blue shimmer shade from the Morphe 35B palette. Using the same brush that I applied the darker purple shade with, I'm going to blend that around the blue that I just applied. To create my black liner, I'm going to be using the BH Liquid Eyeliner. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the shade Voltage Blue to create a line right above the black line that I just made. To fix any mistakes I may have made, I'm cleaning up both eyes with concealer and then fixing it with the eyeliner. After mixing the glitters Paragon Sky and Moon River Blue from glitterworld.com, I'm using the NYX Glitter Primer to apply this to the halo eye.
Stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
Going back into the purple from the Morphe 35B palette, I'm blending this into the edges of the blue glitter. Using the same blue liner, I create a line in the crease above the glitter. To moisturize my skin, I'm using the Mario Bedescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. To prime my face, I'm using the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. For foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Mahogany, and I hate the smell of this foundation, and I know that this isn't my shade. I'm finding that out right now. For concealer, I'm using the Colourpop No Concealer in the shade Deep Golden 60. After blending that out, everywhere that I put the concealer, I'm setting that with the Patrick Star setting powder. I'm going back into this lavender shade and I'm going to blend it under my lash line. Now also going into the purple shade under it, I'm going to blend that into it too.
NYC stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
After going back over my eyeliner, I used the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Powder in 360 Mocha to dust away any excess powder and set the rest of my face. I'm lightly bronzing using the Colourpop pressed bronzer in the shade Bits and Pieces. To add moisture back into my face, I'm using the bedescu spray again. For eyelashes, I'm doubling up these AliExpress eyelashes and applying them off camera. To highlight, I'm using Le Peach by artist Couture and Aina. On top, I'm applying the Wet n Wild Mega Glow in the shade Bionic Dream. Again with the bedescu spray because I'm clearly addicted. I'm applying the Julep When Pencil Meets Gel eyeliner to my lower lash line in the shade Blackest Black. The first lipstick that I apply is the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade Echo, but I didn't like how this went with the look that I was going for, so I applied MAC Indigo Go right on top of it. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to see you next time.